Hi friends, I just received these motion sensor lights with remote control for reviewing purposes. They come in a set of 3 lights. These are LED lights. Okay, as you can see, they have a motion sensor and a light sensor. You get 3 charging cables. Each of them will charge with a USB-C port. And all of them have these mounting brackets, okay? The 3 of them. So you can unmount them to charge them, okay? Here it is, USB-C port, okay? They are recommended to use in the kitchen under cabinet. So you will have nice light every time you go to the kitchen, even if your main light is off, okay? So you have the user manual, okay? They have an on-off switch here, okay? They have some charge here. You see? There it is. They have different colors. Okay. Perfect. And you get a remote control, okay? Also, okay? This is the remote control, so we are going to try them at home in the kitchen. Perfect. Friends, now I'm ready to install the lights. I already charged them, okay? So we are going to put them here in my kitchen. Okay. Do this. They have this 3M double-coated tape already installed. Okay, we are going to allow the clips to a few hours so the glue really dries. Let's install the next one. This dark corner will be great for it. They are ready. We're going to test them tonight. Okay. And let me show you. I have here the remote. Okay, they turn on. You can change the intensity. Okay. You see, they change colors. Okay, now we have them in the same. Okay. And you can put them to be on for 15, 30, 45, or 60 seconds. Okay. Off and on. Even though they will turn on with a movement, not only with the remote, but we're going to try them tonight. Okay. Thank you. You can see how perfectly give us light these lamps in the places we need it, even if everything else is turned off, okay? So they are a great option if you